Larva, is that the code? NCKQ.
That's what you'll be doing.
NC what?
NCKQ.
NCKQ.
Donning and sorting hats.
Choose your avatar.
Team Mouth
I
versus
wanted to be Team Cheese.
Cheese.
Saan ako?
Random?
You can select
Yeah. How?
sa ano nyo? Cellphone nyo.
Ah.
Take the switch now.
Ayaw.
Iwan natin si...
Now we'll all be Team Cheese.
Ni-randomize mo.
Quick sort. I hope you
Binagat
Sort
siguro.
box.
It's round 1. You should do well here.
Up next.
This is co-op.
Pick a prompt. Either sort a prompt with the range on the left, or try out the mystery.
Oh.
This is a vote, people. Check
I'm
it.
useless in this.
Parang
Should we
mahirap yung...
discuss? Paririnig din nila.
We don't know what we're doing.
Hindi,
Okay.
bawal mag-usap.
Prompt selected.
Kaya nga eh, so we cannot discuss.
The lyrics to the SpongeBob SquarePants theme
Oh
from first song to last song.
What? Oh, sort the lyrics? Oh. What?
Parang Tetris.
You have to place it.
Nag-lock yung phone ko. Wait, feed?
Talk to each other, our team.
Lang yata ito, para lang
Our team.
hindi mamatay session natin.
I think we have to talk kasi ano to eh.
Where do I go? Where do I go?
Oh,
I don't
know.
Diyos sa'yo.
Dulo yata yan eh.
Hindi nyo ako
Doon na sa number 5.
Ayaw nyo yan, di kasi...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kasi isa pa.
Five.
To the right. 6 na lang 6.
Ay, what?
Pwede na yan.
Ba't na hindi pala fix yung slots?
You ready, kid?
Sabi sa'yo,
Simula yan.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Hi, Captain.
Mamaya
Ano
mahulog.
yung
How did you go there?
parang
Pwede
Tetris.
yun?
Hindi natin naman alam kung meron yung iba eh.
Something you wish. That is before flop light. I should not help you.
4 lang yata. Ay, meron pa. Akala ko 4 lang. Okay.
5 kayo. Ay,
Obvious.
Pineapple
Ang
under the sea,
binibigay
di ba?
sa FTZ.
Something you wish under the sea.
If nautical nonsense.
It's nonsense is something you wish.
Oh, I
Kasi
guess. Hindi,
Ganun
drop
yun,
it on top.
ganun.
I think you can just drop it on top.
Drop on the deck.
Saan yan?
Oh, in between ng wish tsaka fish.
Pero hindi sila nag-rhyme.
Wheat tsaka fish.
Tsaka fish yung magra-rhyme.
Tama.
Oh no, saan to? Sorbetarian
Sabi-
with porosity.
SpongeBob.
Paano magkakasya
Yes,
lahat yan?
SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob.
Dyan lang, okay na yan.
Tama, di ba?
Oo.
What if may porous na lumabas?
Oh, yeah.
Ayan
After
Ayan
Yan.
Ano, usap
Right
lang
by
konti.
side. Yan.
Okay.
Wala na. Okay.
Over.
Alrighty then. Let's see your score.
Perfect.
Yay! I'm serving in yellow and forest is here.
Perfect.
Good job.
Woohoo!
Now
Eat the
that's
trash
what I call
monster.
a quick sort.
Look at points.
Puro ba siya ganyan?
Napaka-niche.
Second shift.
At least it's a song I know.
Guys,
Natalo na tayo.
Your prompt.
Oh shit.
Note now on your device. Preferred
Kahit
prompts.
nasa feed trash monster pa rin ako.
Ayun na.
Uy, toothbrush.
Mystery prompt.
Ang avatar di Chris.
Yes, the elusive mystery.
Gabi,
Let's
nag-nope
see
sila sa song.
characters by hairline.
Oh,
Ay,
they lost.
Okay.
Longest hair.
Okay lang. Basta
Wala
napanood ko
tayong
yung
movie guy. Tayong movie guy.
Don't feed the trash.
Surely this is the...
Longest.
Is this me?
Bigas na to. Siguro naman.
Obi-Wan.
Bam!
Oh, me?
Try mo yung alam nito.
What if... Di ba ano siya, in the second film?
Huwag mo siguro sagarin sa kaliwa.
Baka may kalbo.
Oo nga.
Wait, Alien Free!
Nakalagay Alien 3.
Oh, shit. Oh. I'm sorry, guys.
Medyo middle yan.
Bakit kalbo ba?
Baka sa 2?
Long hair siya
I don't
for a
understand.
man, pero...
Kinda long, man.
For a man.
Who the hell?
Yun na.
Ay, di. Short hair to
Short
sa... Ano ba?
Sa poster.
May kilig ba kay Alan K. Ripley?
Ano ba dapat si Ellen Ripley?
Short hair.
Ito na lang,
Parang
papantayin
white
ko
hat.
na lang. I don't know.
Ha?
Kaliwa.
Huwag mo sabihin, di mo kilala yan.
Diba pa siguro.
Ayan.
Mas may click kaysa sa girls.
Really?
Diba?
Isa pa.
Okay.
Ayun mo. Dapat.
This is funny.
Left edge yata yung ano eh.
Long hair to, diba? Mahaba
Hindi
kay
long,
Tarzan.
Neck. Diba? Really?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't remember.
Which Tarzan are we
Neck
talking
din yung
about?
Carnival.
I'm just going with
Ay,
my
si
gut.
Clarice ka sa kay Tarzan.
Oh my God. Ito ay short, diba?
Yes.
Ganyan lang, ganyan lang.
Dulo.
Yeah.
Ugh.
If you wanna left it one more or something. Oh no, who's this?
Uy, ayos.
Huh? I don't
hair
see
yan.
his hair. Dumbledore or Tarzan?
Less than Rapunzel. Natawa na kami,
Less than-
Liz.
Kasi hindi ko kita buhok niya. He always wears a hat.
Nagpas kaya sa hat niya. Ito, kalbo.
Dapat si Minnie. I think Clarice is shorter than
Your
Tarzan.
score.
Yes, I think so.
Sige.
Yung Amelie, hindi ko alam. Ay, nako, bali si ano.
Bo si
Ellen
Ellen Ripley.
Waist length.
Absurd.
Dumbledore.
Sort of a good.
He has a
Grabe,
hat,
tambak,
pero
guys.
nag-overflow yung buhok niya outside of the hat.
Ayaw niyo kasi ng song lyrics eh.
Beard na yun eh.
Akala ni Kaiser part 2 hat yung ano.
Hindi, beard kasi yun.
May hair sa likod.
His hair!
Okay, gang.
Hindi niya kina-consider na hair yun.
Pirated ba yung pinanood mo?
Apparent.
Harry Potter?
Ay, gross ano yun?
Wow. Good
Gross.
choice.
Siguro
Let's
movie
dive
yan.
into
Hindi, yung pinaka ano.
Yeah.
Pinaka-kadib.
Ay!
from lowest gross to
Ay, alam na lang tayo dito, mukhang panalo na sila.
And if you see something that doesn't belong, you should trash it. Some trash
Oh.
bags
Oh,
are
pwede trash!
Ayun.
or more subtle, so keep an eye out.
Trash.
Trash mo agad,
Hello?
one.
Ano ba yung score pero...
Oh, hindi ko alam.
Gitna na
Is
lang.
this the Mexican?
Pretty mid.
Feeling ko lower.
Oo.
O sige.
Kadiri ba yan? Di ba yan
Highest-
yung...
Hindi kasi yan. Hindi kasi
On the
yan
right.
nag-flop eh. Hindi yan flop, pero
Yeah,
hindi
it did
siya
not
yung...
flop.
Highest
It's not one
gross.
of the highest ones.
Highest gross.
Huh?
The heck?
Okay.
Malakas yan. Highly rated na movie yan eh. Pero I don't know about the gross.
Is this the brown bear in a blue jacket?
Feeling ko dikit
Yes.
lang sila.
The
Oh, lapit mo na lang
gross.
doon. Wang.
Huh?
Come on.
Yes.
The
Oh,
fact na
yes.
nagka-3, guys.
Trash na yan, trash.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi, ayoko.
What if maraming nanood, no?
Kumita yung 1 and 2. Pero yung 3, you can't say.
Sergeant Pikachu!
Is this a movie?
Narinig,
Yes!
narinig ko pa yung Sharknado kaysa dyan.
Did well.
Baba pa, baba!
So, di
Na-promote
ba
ko
yung
siya.
detective?
Detective
that-
Pikachu.
Dati detective lang yung sa next movie na-promote na siya. Oh my God.
I don't know.
No,
Maganda ba
no,
to?
no.
Baba
mababa
rate
yan.
yung
Ah, yan.
Nag-flop yan multiple times.
Left
Sige pa.
Even,
Sige pa.
Ganyan?
Oo, ganyan.
May question ako. What if all the boxes are stacked on the same spot?
We don't know. Oh, this is hard. Pero lumang movie na to eh. I would put it on the left pa din. Siguro after nung Morbius. Andang Sharknado. Yan, pwede na siguro yan.
Next.
May
Ano
Neighbor
ba yun?
Totoro.
Ay, that's not a real one.
Totoro.
Are you sure?
o
Totino is
kasabi,
the
doon ka sa
fruit,
kabila.
Totino.
Hindi naman,
Okay.
hindi naman Totoro eh.
ba? Totino.
Hindi naman
Hindi ba-
Totoro eh.
Hindi ba pwede doon? Hindi makakadaan?
Taas yan, taas.
We don't know.
Dito lang.
Kaya mo nabigyan natin ng chance makahabol si Josiah.
Oo nga.
Meron pa.
Ha? Ay, is the
This
Sir
is
Sharonan?
award-winning, but I don't know the gross. Maybe less than Coco?
I
Ganyan?
think it could be higher.
Higher? Than Coco and Paddington?
Pwede na yan?
Wala na, naglanding na ako.
Wala bang Avengers Endgame?
Lo pa.
Sorry to bother you.
Paano mo alam na
Yan,
sa
si
movie?
Ben.
May dots dun sa taas.
9 yata
Ano to?
overall eh.
Wait,
Ay,
we're
ano
done?
to?
I don't know.
Ano to?
Just drop it somewhere.
Saan yung dots?
Ayan o, ayan o. Dalawa pa.
Ayun.
Eh, yun o nga.
Bibotasu yan, Bibotasu!
Trash daw, trash.
Who is this?
Dapat
Is
nag-like pa
Cheng
ako
here?
konti.
Sino yun?
Scratching. Try mo pa mag-join yung NCKQ na code.
Oh, okay, okay.
Jackbox.tv.
Ting avatar yan.
No more.
Kasi hindi balanced yung teams eh. Baka pwede ka pa mag-join.
Baka wrong avatar pala eh, no?
We need the
last
powers of
bear
CrossFit.
bender.
Ay, ang taas.
Uy, mataas
Dito
yung
pala yun.
Morbius, niloloko niyo ako.
$1,677.
Wow.
Mataas Coco.
Uy, ang taas na
Mataas
rin
yung,
Coco!
mataas yung Coco.
Yeah, Coco.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Coco Melon.
Doon ka sa mouse. Mas konti yung mouse eh.
We need the power of CrossFit, Cry.
We have a chance, guys.
Uy, may chance. Oo, meron na
Oh,
kami.
yeah.
Grabe
May
yung
bagong-
next one.
May bagong team member.
Meron na kami movie person.
Hindi naman movie lagi.
Ayun.
Movie yan, pareho lagi.
Choice is yours.
Ay, iba.
Wait, tatlo lang kami.
nako,
Iba.
wedding. Nako, mystery
Weddings,
tayo.
Sure.
Courage.
Narinig ko rin ng
Nice,
wedding.
Cry.
Kaka-attend lang ng
Why is he
wedding.
not here? Why is he not here?
Nasa audience
Ay,
pa
ano
sila
to?
eh.
Audience lang.
Hindi ka pina-join.
Oh my God.
Hindi.
Time to sort.
Ano yan? For richer, for
Tulungan mo na lang sila,
poorer.
Cry.
Sige.
For richer, for poorer.
Last spoken.
Ayun. Okay.
Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung order.
Me?
Obi-Wan.
Nakapanood lang ni Cry ng
Better
wedding.
for
Palahod
worse.
talaga eh.
Gitna ko na lang to.
Sige.
That do us
Do.
part. Yan, di ba? Yun huli.
Ano ba itong trash monster? May berry.
Kaka na kaunti.
Baka third.
Ampu itong
Ano,
lalaglag.
itong
Hindi naman mag-stack.
feed the trash.
Left edge yung ano, di ba?
Cry, hindi siya one
Sickness
slot,
and
one
Kanan sa kanan
roll.
siya.
Ano tawag
Kanan
dyan?
ng worse.
Okay, sige.
Ness and in health. Magkasunod yata sila.
Yung
Yeah.
horizontal position nila,
Aligned ba siya?
walang
it's aligned.
effect dun sa ano,
So help
dun
me
sa
God.
height.
Oo, basta one cell, one
Trash
vertical
talaga.
cell.
Trash.
Wala to.
Trash. Yeah.
Additional on layaway.
My neighbor
On
to
the highway.
Sergeant
In sickness
Pikachu.
and in layaway.
In
For
health.
sickness. For better for.
Huwag mo nang isip to. Pwedeng right after in sickness lang.
OC ako.
Pero wala
Kasi
naman
baka wala ka
kasing...
ng space.
Well, that's true.
Titingnan lang naman yata yung left edge.
We'll figure it out.
Oo, pinakahuli yan.
Dulo
Is
yan.
this the right post?
Oo.
Can I place it here?
Aba, pwede.
Hindi, right pa, right, Trash.
Bala kayo pag naubusan kayo space.
Uy, in crime and
Wala. Trash.
in crime and in not crime.
Hindi pwede
In
dyan.
good times and in
Sa
crime.
kabila. Takbo.
In good times and in crime. Fly.
Ayaw.
So, bawal talaga hawakan yung Trash. Ganyan din si my neighbor Totino.
Oh,
no.
Haven't to
To
hold.
love and to hold.
So dapat is lang yung
For
trash.
better or
left,
for worse.
right?
Dyan yan. Oh, dyan siguro yan.
Okay.
May for
Hold in the
better pa
cherish,
eh.
to cherish to hold.
Oh, sobrang
Do you?
Love
Do
and
you?
to hold,
Blah,
diba?
blah, blah. Take, blah, blah, blah.
To have.
To have and to
To
hold.
have and to hold.
To have
For better, for worse.
Kumarangan
Like
yung
this.
Trash.
Yeah, so like this.
Uy, isa kaya.
Tag mo lang, pwede na.
Trash yata yun eh.
Ang
Sa
opsin
screen
nyo.
may ano.
Tapos wala na kayong space.
Richer or poorer?
Patay kayo.
Pero saan yun?
For
Ano ba
richer, after for worse, di ba?
One block.
Ito pa.
May for richer pa eh.
Oh, may for richer pa eh.
Ano yan? Meron pa isang
To the left pa.
Ay,
Dapat isa pa sa kanan. Ayan,
Daya,
in sleep,
ayan.
Wala, Trash.
in sleep and in awake.
Hindi in crime.
in sleep and in crime.
Richer. O, yan.
Ayun.
O, sa ko lalagay ngayon
Wala,
yan.
isang kanan
Hindi
na.
nga.
Oh, ang gulo nyo eh. Di ba? O magiging katapat lang sa ni Forwards.
Oo,
Wala
May
kayong
mga
dyan.
left, right, no?
Wala eh. Gulo eh.
Wala nang isa pang slot to the left, to the right.
Pero nakita mo
right,
yung
to the
sa
right
ano niya,
dapat.
sa conveyor belt niya. May isang
Ayos niya.
Kailangan tugma doon. Galing nila.
Eh,
Habol na.
Perfect.
Habol
Let's
na
go
kasi
wedding.
perfect nila eh. Tapos,
Let's go wedding.
nag-split lang tayo kanina.
let's go.
Magnificent.
Game. Serious na, serious.
Time for round 3.
Ano, tumayo na ako sa upuan.
Last round. This time you'll have 2 chances.
Are you, nag-ano ka,
Lean forward.
nag-jogging ka?
Exactly ano yun?
Pumping yourself up.
Okay. Selection
Jane.
time.
Ano yan?
Mystery
Ay,
prop.
ayoko niya.
Literature.
Mahirap yan.
Magis Magazine?
Hindi pwede illiterates.
I'm nervous for you. Let's dive into Knights of the British Empire.
Oh, yes.
From
Si ano? Elton John.
yes.
to latest.
Oh my God.
Hirap din yan ah.
Putik yan. Bakit
Elton
ako?
John, let's go.
Elton John.
Oh, yes.
Tama isa sa mga later.
It's in our lifetime, so maybe on the
Mga
later.
dalawa pa. Pwede.
Oh, sobra.
Sobra na. Ang hinahanap natin is yung date na ano sila.
Turn Night
Explore.
Oo.
Yung date na
Knighthood.
night. After ni Elton.
After Elton John.
Sir.
Wait,
Isa pa.
wait. Hindi ba trash yan?
Hindi na gano'n. Bakit?
Sir Bill Gates.
I don't know
Sino
who that
yan?
is.
Good Night Moon. Baka trash.
Author yan ata. Yung si Good
Ah!
Night Moon, Good
Eh,
Night
wag.
Star.
Right. Undercover of Night.
Sir Mick Jagger ba siya?
Sir Mick Jagger.
Oh, yan
Oh,
na.
Sir Mick
Oh,
Jagger.
tama.
No,
Parang-
after
parang sir.
Elton pa rin.
Later mo siya binigyan.
Lagyan mo lang na sir pag bumagay.
Dark Knight
Yan.
Night. Michael Caine.
Yan.
Michael
Sir yan.
Sir, yan.
Michael Caine.
Liz, ikaw na.
After ni Elton John.
Michael
Please.
Carn.
I'm sorry. Hindi pala gumagana yung
Night
keyboard.
Hindi ito, wala ito.
Hindi siya.
Very
Angelina
good.
Jolie.
Wala yan.
Oh no, my phone. No, don't disconnect me.
The Weeknd.
Ooh, I'm blinded by the
Abel.
Nighty Mac.
Nighty.
Knighted ba siya?
Na-night ba yan?
McPhee.
I don't think so, I don't think so.
Dame Emma. Iba yun, di ba?
Is it the
Oo,
same?
pero...
Ewan ko rin.
Oh, siya mo. oo.
M. Night
M.
Shyamalan.
Night.
Dame Judi Dench.
Judi Dench.
I don't think same siya ng Knighthood eh.
Pero,
Order of the
Wala
British
na.
Empire ata yung
I'm
Joan of
sorry.
oo nga eh.
A hard
Uy,
taste.
Paul
Ayan,
Sir
night time
Paul.
yan.
Bakit
Hindi, wag.
hindi siya left?
Before Michael
Ayaw niyo
Caine
sa
na lang.
left.
Before Michael Caine.
Ah! No!
Bakit ayaw niyo sa
Wala,
left?
Ala na ni
hindi
Michael
umabot.
King.
Nighty Ducks.
Hindi
Emilio
yata.
Estevez.
Sir.
Sir Estevez.
Sir.
Nighty Ducks.
Hindi rin pala si Bill Gates, ano?
Ano?
Knightus Andronicus.
Sir.
Anthony
Sir
Hopkins.
Anthony Hopkins?
Bakit ayaw niyo sa left?
Lord Anthony Hopkins. Joke lang.
Ba't tayo ilalagay sa left?
King reference kasi si
Your
Elton John.
chance. Let's go. If your
One
blocks
straight.
are already sorted correctly, they'll stick together.
Ah, may final attempt?
Hard Day's Night. Ah,
I do.
sorted correctly. They stick together.
Parang 2 rounds of sorting.
Okay.
So, left.
Why left?
Parang
Dito?
maraming recent eh.
Ah,
Oo nga.
Michael
So, mali
Caine.
siya.
So, after?
Pili ko after.
Dali kanina eh.
Pili ko after. Right.
After.
M. Night.
Ano to?
Judi Dench.
Trash?
Ewan ko. Hindi, meron yan.
Counted ba yung Dame?
Feeling ko,
Yes.
Dapat.
Kasi masyadong maraming itatrash kung hindi siya counted. Baka yan yung trash.
Oh.
Tinash
Trash yan
natin yan
talaga.
kanina.
Oo,
Oh,
bakit
yeah.
siya bumalik?
Ah.
Did we get rid of you?
Up next,
Dame Angelina Jolie.
Mick Jagger.
After.
I have no
No?
idea.
Baka nga
Pwede
trash
ba,
pa
no?
to.
Right and then left.
That's, sir, yan for sure.
Huwag niyo ipatong para may
Sir,
space natin to go back and forth.
Oh.
Anthony Hopkins.
Huwag niyo ipatong.
Right na
Ay,
lang,
Shabuan.
right.
Good job, Juan.
Ako, sorry. Nakatingin ako, bakit hindi ko
Or the red,
magalaw ako
white,
pala yung
brown.
control?
Huwag niyo nga ipatong eh.
What
Hindi ko na,
I'm sorry.
Lumabas
I'm
It's a
eh.
sorry.
succulent.
What
It's succulent. Di ba young person yan?
Relatively.
Dame ba siya?
Feeling ko
Gusto ko
nga
lang
hindi.
ipasok sa loob.
Ayan ha. Ginamit na namin yung left.
Bago na lang si Bill
Oo.
Gates.
Oh, tapos pasok ka sa ilalim. Oh, pero pasok ka dito sa ilalim ni Mick Jagger.
Ganyan.
Oh, para ma-maximize natin yung space.
As na pala.
Pinahirapan mo pa ako.
You do.
Oh,
Mhm.
trash.
Sabi na trash siya eh.
Uy.
Mhm.
Ay, ang tagal
Mhm.
na ni Anthony Hopkins.
Angelina Jolie is knighted.
Talaga?
Grabe, anointed siya.
A is
Baka
Ito
dahil
siya.
sa charity work, ganyan.
Naka-adapt niya. In-adapt ba siyang knight or squire?
May ex ba siyang British?
Baka dahil sa pag-read niya ng tombs. What?
time to commit to
Ooh,
something.
Earliest
oh,
man.
man.
Latest
Kaso
man.
celebrity. Magaling
Ayoko
ba kayo
niyan.
dyan? Mystery.
Bahala na.
Nandun naman si Cry.
Yata pwede mag-join pag in progress.
Early man.
No, I mean, he can
Guide
still
you.
voice out.
Tutulong naman ako sa...
Teammate niyo pa rin siya.
Yeah, let's have some fun.
Expenses
Courage.
So, you'll be sorted.
Yeah.
Lady Gaga music
We
video.
lost!
Okay.
Uy, oldest na yun.
Video to
Poker
newest
face.
video.
Good job.
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Okay, hindi ko to alam.
Huh?
Kailan to try?
Hindi ko alam.
Bago lang to.
Hindi ko alam yan.
It must be a new one.
Sige.
Ang suggestion ko is stack nyo lang sila lahat right on top of each other.
Ito banda. Ayokong...
Yeah, sige. Sige, mga ganyan.
Oh shit.
Sabi ba't hindi lang shallow?
Oh,
Hindi ko alam yan.
applause. Applause.
Early one
Pag
to, diba?
after 2015, wala na akong alam.
Sumara na yung music
31.
library mo.
Oy, ano yun? Ba't may sinuntok ako? Born This Way.
Born to
Yan, before 2015 yan, di ba?
Medyo maaga yan.
Isa pa to
I'll
the
go
left
like this.
para may... Sige.
Isang space lang.
Shallow. What?
Ano to? Sibuyas?
Wala yan.
Trash yata. Baka trash.
Trash yan, trash. Uy,
Di ba parang ano yung gilid
Magalaw.
ko?
shallow
Shallow.
kasi.
Misread
Shallow,
ng shallow.
sibuyas yun.
Ba sibuyas yun?
Oh
Shallow.
no.
Ano yung point nung nung 2 rounds?
Bad
Una pa sa Born This Way yan,
romance.
di ba?
Nauna pa yan.
Is it this?
Ano na yan?
Parang second chance siguro.
Like this?
Kasi nagdikit yung dalawa yung mga slip.
Pag magkadugtong.
Just Dance.
Just Dance.
PS4 game yan.
After applause mo na lang siguro.
PS4 lang ba yung Just Dance?
Just
Well,
Dance.
PS4 ko nalaro, so yun yung alam ko.
Meron ako sa Switch.
Di ba earlier pa?
Kaya
Ito.
ito.
Telephone.
Basta doon ko siya nalaro.
Baka between applause and Just Dance. I don't know. Okay, what the hell is that?
That's fine.
Sa telephone. What?
GU.
Bago na yan kung meron man. Hindi ko alam eh.
I don't know this. Goodbye.
Dali ka usap.
Ano yan?
Alejandro. Siya ba yun?
Kanan?
Trash yan.
Yeah.
Trash yan. Yeah.
Shit, did I trash you?
Huwag na alam ni Cray yung
Ano yung
discography.
G1?
Secret Lady Gaga fan pala sa Cray.
Hindi.
Tapos na siya kay Tate.
Alam niya eh.
Rain.
Ba't ako ulit? What the hell?
Hindi ko alam yan.
Is it a different artist?
Lagay ko na sa dulo.
Siguro.
Nahiya tuloy si Cray.
Hindi ko alam. Yung Alejandro.
Parang,
alam ko
parang
yun.
meron nga niyan. Lady Gaga.
Yeah, the Alejandro meron.
Hindi, yung Rain on Me. meron.
Huh?
Ito hindi
Wait,
ko alam.
I don't know this. Cry, do you know this?
No. Trash mo na lang.
Bye.
Ang dami ito na trash.
Lady
Parang
Gaga,
hindi...
trash! Last.
Ito na lang yung sa atin?
Oh, yung million naging 1,000 na lang.
Baka yan yung trash. Ewan.
I
Di ba
don't know
1,000
you.
Reasons is kay ano?
Flash na lang both.
I don't know you.
In doubt, trash.
CrossFit.
Okay, tama.
Okay,
One
isa lang
street
yung...
song.
First
Isa
Tama
lang yung
ito.
stick niyo.
together.
So, same
Yun
lang.
na yung recent.
Lalagay ko ulit sa bandang kanan.
Bandang kanan.
Yeah. It must be recent because we don't know it.
Feeling ko sa may simula yan.
Hindi, yung hits usually yun sa kaliwa.
Grabe, sabi mo bang wala na hit si Lady Gaga?
Yeah.
I think here?
Sige,
Yeah.
safe
Di
na.
daw yung hit pag hindi niya alam.
Ito?
Yeah.
Ang poker face, ano?
Parang yun yung code.
Yes.
After telephone ata yan eh. Just Dance.
Put it there.
Ito yung isa sa early yun.
Oo.
Yeah.
Lagay ko na sa pla.
Before telephone.
Ra.
Guys, mag-decide na kayo kung ilan yung reasons kung 1,000 o 1 million.
Maganda yung million
Kasi-
eh. Mahina,
Di ba kay Christina
walang dating yung 1,000 lang.
Bakit sa 100 reasons pala?
Oh.
Applause.
Wait.
Applause.
I think after Just Dance.
Ito? Wait, what? Really?
After, maybe.
Di ba
I don't
early
know.
to?
Hindi yan early. Oh, ano na?
Reasons. Ito yata, kasi
Balik-
si Angelina Jolie got trashed.
Nabugbog
Came
siya,
back as
oh,
that
may
one.
pingas.
Ganyan
Oo
din yung sa atin
nga.
kanina.
Yeah.
That's true.
Hindi ko naman dyan.
Really legit? So,
1,000 reasons.
binigay nyo.
Born this way.
After Just Dance yata.
Lagay mo na lang between Bad Romance saka telephone.
Bakit yan?
Diba?
Sayang!
Okay. Bibigyan kayo ng hint ha. The fact na hindi na-detect na streak kanina yung Bad Romance tsaka Born This Way. Ibig sabihin hindi sila magkatikit.
Paano na lang?
Wala na talaga sila tinrush.
Nahiya sila. Hindi bumalik yung 1,000 reasons.
Bumalik eh.
Na-trash na
Yeah.
yata yung mga kanina eh. Wala na.
Hindi, yung million reasons trinash din eh, bumalik.
Oh!
Yay!
Nauna pala yun.
Applause. Born This Way.
Kalaw yung sa pelikula niya with with Bradley Cooper.
Okay na yan.
A Star is Born.
Na-issue sila.
Was admirable.
Panalo ba kami?
Are we winning?
Hindi yata.
Hindi, 22 lang tayo eh.
Probably. Yeah, Team Mouse.
Grabe, talo tayo. Mas marami na nga tayo.
Try nga, yung discography.
Legally
Don't know Knights, man.
belongs to you now.
Dapat mag-mags na lang kayo.
Pasok ka na, Cray.
New
Players.
Wang, ikaw yung may control, ah.
Ay, same players.
New player.
Yo!
Ay.
Wait, the control went to one?
See how that's
Sino yata yung una nag-join?
Team Nikki.
of what you'll be doing.
Q, H,
Team
Why?
For this shift, we have Nikki versus Team Clothes.
Wait, what?
Nikki.
Wait,
Sinong wala pa? Si Roy.
Roy.
Teka lang.
Nice like that. Just be quick.
do you want?
QA? Ay, balik sa akin.
Lumilipat-lipat.
Bakit nakasabit? May nakasabit sa yan.
Hindi maka-decide eh.
Hey friends, just
Ay, hindi na pwede yung magnet. Maganda yung magnet eh.
while.
There's a magnet?
Ayan,
Game na, game?
Sige.
Okay. Akala ko ref magnet.
Gusto ko Team Clothed kasi I'm clothed right now.
Welcome to Quicksort. Let the
Sa Nikki ako kasi nakatopless ako.
Did we need to know this information?
These are pretty simple.
Ito yata.
Recorded!
Muna soundbite one.
Decision time. You can choose the range on the left or
How to,
Mahirap. Ay,
how to
depende
die or...
kung cooking or something.
now on your device.
Mystery
Ako sa
prompt
Mystery
na lang.
Prompt eh.
Oo.
Leave it to you.
Wait, can I get a snack? Oh,
You-
shit.
you
How
have-
does a
you-
snack works?
You have to vote.
Pag hindi mo turn, yes.
Like that.
Little
You'll
snack.
be sorting
Yeah, it's not Team Nikki. I'm
I
gonna
got
get a
a snack.
snack.
from
Wiki
Parang
how.
na-post na ni Ori yan.
Ilalaglag ko lang to.
Little snack.
Sa dulo yan.
Hindi.
Alam na alam ah.
Pag masyado.
Bakit sa dulo? Hindi pwede sa dulo
Oo
yan.
nga, ba't sa dulo yan?
Tamo, imangal. Mas marunong
Easy.
sila.
After, konti lang. Konti lang!
No, kailangan nagbe-breathe ka all the time.
Before yun.
Huwag ko pala sagarin yung...
Hip.
Sagarin.
Nakadikit sila.
Kulit eh. Ang gugulo lang
Akalo-
tayo.
Akala ko naman kasi yung beforehand is ano
How's
eh.
Oh,
this?
yes.
Beforehand is
Oh,
yung mga take a breath, breath mint, mga ganon.
Hindi ba yan before?
same
na
eh,
tayo,
no?
Manage saliva level.
Use your hands.
Walang trash. Okay.
Before lock.
Use your hands to manage saliva levels.
Walang
What did I
try.
miss?
What the heck?
Manage
How to
saliva.
kiss.
What?
Do a kiss. How to kiss.
Oh, nasa
Before
wiki
lock.
now.
Before lock.
Before lock,
Before,
before
before?
lock, before lock, before lock. Before.
Galit na.
Maniwala kayo doon sa marunong.
Galit na eh.
May SME.
Dulo!
Dulo, optional eh. Pero ilagay mo sa ilalim nung nung manage saliva
Para
level.
may... Hindi, wala naman. Okay lang.
Pero naka-OC.
Tetris.
Pasok mo sa conveyor.
Trash.
No! Sobra!
Dig. Open for more, man.
Keep your lips.
Ito.
Before you lock lips.
Dito lang. Siyempre sa soft kisses, nag-prep ka na, nag-moisturizer ka na, gano'n.
Oo, ginamit mo na yung kamay mo eh. Wala.
Baka nga earlier to dapat. I'm sorry.
Dulo
Oh,
to.
yes.
Sa dulo to.
Dulo.
Parang
Ayun.
WikiHow,
Ay,
ano
ako
yan
pala.
eh.
Sorry.
Mix it up.
Ganyan?
Ano yan?
Siguro. Pambihira. What a category.
Pero optional yung
Oh,
try
yes.
French kissing.
Test?
Kaya nga, bakit dinikit masyado?
After lock ba to?
After lock.
Yan.
Pwede na yan. Test using tongue, then make sure to breathe.
Hirap.
Yaw.
Did you come
Hi, sir. Nandito ka na.
Yeah. Nakamute ba ako? Hello?
Ay, hindi.
Hello.
Hindi ko lang
Hindi
napansin.
ka lang daw
na-
nagsasalita.
Ay, nako, ang layo ng user hands.
Oh,
sorry.
There's eating chicken.
Sabi siya, dapat bandage sa Naiba Levels maaga eh.
Sorry.
Kasi
Alam ko, it means na lulunok ka while you're doing it.
Hindi, before daw. Sabi niya.
pag si Liz kasi malaway.
All right, next team. Let's see how you stack up. Okay, pick a prompt. Vote
Let's
for the prompt
go.
you'd like to play on your device.
Tapos yan, Lady Gaga. Ay, hindi.
SpongeBob ulit yan.
First song, last song. Ano yan? Feeling ko ano yan.
Ano, foreign
national,
language.
National anthem. Tapos order the lines.
Talaga ba?
The pick
Kanina it was
O'Shea.
SpongeBob.
here
Oh,
is
yung
the
magiliw.
assignment.
Yung mga
The lyrics
ganyan.
to I Will
Oh,
Survive.
yes.
I
Oh
will
my
survive.
God.
First
Dali.
song to
As long as I know how to love, I know I'll be alive.
They actually don't know the lyrics. Ayun, go.
Hindi ko rin.
I will survive. Hey, hey.
Ano ba ito sa device ko?
Baka may hey, hey. Lagay natin.
Yeah, basta may dulo. So,
Did you, fall asleep? Yung, At first I was afraid to eat the pizza
without
pie.
you by
By
my
my
side. I can
Bandang umpisa.
Big lang my box.
From outer
From
space.
outer
space.
Ano
Okay,
tayo, ano to? Intellectual property.
Oo, nga, no?
Kept thinking I could never live without you by my
Matay-
side.
Yeah, is this one?
Pati-take down yung video.
Ano mo? Yeah,
Hindi, okay lang yan. Tayo lang naman yung
Hindi lang mamomonetize. Pero
Cover yan, cover.
Thinking how you
Thinking
did.
how you done me wrong, I grew strong and I learned how to get along and now you're back.
From outer space.
Ako na yun.
Cry, kantahin mo siya in Kermit voice.
And I grew strong.
Thinking
I
how
learned
you
how
Gusto
to
may
get
tortang
along,
talong.
and I grew strong.
Thinking how you and I grew strong? Oh.
Hindi. May gitna pa yun.
I was something.
Petrified. Thinking how without you.
Ay, ikaw.
Right?
Think yan.
I should stop helping.
First I was afraid, I was petrified.
Pero gusto ko ng pizza pie.
Kept thinking...
But then I spent
I
This
was
is second?
But then...
Thinking how you done me wrong. Katabi niyan. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you done me wrong. To the right. Sige pa.
Gitna.
Sige pa. Gitna.
Yan.
Bakit mas madali yung sa kanila?
Oo nga eh.
And I
Kasi
learned
sa-
how-
To get along. Thinking how you...
Now you're back.
Yan.
And I learned.
I think.
what is that avatar supposed to be?
Okay.
Maganda tatlo
Helicopter.
silang nag-rhyme.
Ano yan? Flying fidget
One
spinner?
round lang to, di ba? One round lang to.
First
Walang
I was
second
afraid
try.
pinakauna. I was petrified.
First round pa lang ito.
Three
Walang
rounds
second
tayo.
try.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Sa third
No, I
round lang
mean
yung may
this
second
round.
try.
Kasi,
Oh,
di ba?
yeah.
Perfect
Mali
yan.
yung I learned how to
Perfect.
get along.
your score.
Perfecto.
Perfect.
Di ba? And I grew strong and I learned how to get along.
Hindi.
Yay.
Ay!
Mali yung
I
order ni
told
Tito eh.
you!
Baliktad eh. Ewan ko bakit yun yung sinabi ni Cry.
Ewan ko rin kay
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, I was confused.
Oh yeah.
Grabe, mas malakas pala pag nakahubad.
Power strip yun.
Round 2. It's a doozy.
Hindi, nananalo lang yung team ni Cry.
Bakit kanina? Ay wait, nanalo din kayo kanina. O ito, kaya
Kaya
natin
natin
to.
yan.
Movies. Tara, mystery prompt.
Uy, parang ano lang yan ah.
Wait, I will refill snacks.
What year?
Let's get this prompt.
Ang bilis mo naman naubos yung snack mo, Lu.
Movies
Ano lang eh,
with animals.
isang Manila yung kinuha niya.
Oldest
Movies
movie.
with talking
And there, I
animals.
got 2-piece chicken, so I want more
Babe.
chicken.
Babe.
And if you see something that
Like, ulam, chicken?
toss it in the trash.
Good pig.
Si Airbud hindi nagsasalita, di ba?
And sometimes not.
Lion
so
King.
watch out.
Well, wag yun na, you don't have to name movies now.
Predict. Oh.
Sus, ilalagay yan. Ratatouille yan. Later na to.
Nagsasalita ba siya?
Gitna na lang, gitna.
Ay, may
That's
trash
it.
pala.
Diba?
Nagsasalita siya kasi may kausap siya yung
Nasalita siya
naga.
with
Other
other
rats.
Spider-Man,
Spider-Pig.
Spider-Ham.
Animal
Ano?
ba dyan?
2019.
May animal ba
Pwede
dyan?
Pwede na, si Spider-Ham. Lefty side.
Spider-Ham.
Ah,
Spider-Ham.
left isa?
Oo.
Okay na.
Oh.
Sa salita si Spider-Ham. O Raccoon.
After Ratatouille, di ba?
Uy.
2015 ba yan?
Basta yata.
O 14 yata.
14.
Yung una. Yung unang Guardians.
So,
Lassie
maaga
doesn't
ba?
speak.
Kaliwa.
Lassie doesn't speak.
Trash, trash,
Ayaw nga.
trash.
Trash.
Movie ba yan?
Ha?
Di ba siya TV show?
Parang
TV
series.
show.
Ay, hindi. May movie meron.
May movie, may TV show rin.
Oo.
I see.
2003.
Luma na to, di ba?
2003. Left pa.
Nemo.
Pwede na.
Siguro isa pa.
Nanood mo nga pala
Pwede
to,
na.
no, Roy?
Oo. Nahanap niya si Nemo, spoiler.
Is it
Kung
before
Panda
Ratatouille?
2004.
After Finding Nemo.
Before Ratatouille.
Before.
Oo. Konti pa siguro.
Ganyan na.
Pwede na yan?
Ay, ba't ako tumutulong?
Scooby-Doo doesn't speak. Or the sea.
Yes, he does!
Does it count?
Scooby-Doo!
Wino-warn niya kaya si Shaggy.
Shaggy.
Bro, Raggy.
Wait,
Tsaka
Scooby-Doo.
ano, andun si Scrappy-Doo.
Live action na Scooby-Doo
Dito
eh.
nag-speak.
Hindi.
Wala. Trash.
Nagsasalita si Marley.
Talaga?
Visit ka.
Wait,
Di ba may parang sarili siyang...
Uy,
Sonic.
Sonic Boom.
After Spider-Verse.
2017?
Hindi, after Spider-Verse.
19?
2020 na yan, di ba? 2020-ish.
Either 2020 or 2020 yata
21.
pandemic.
Uy,
Oh,
Which
Doolittle.
one is this?
Si ano ito?
That's
Si ano yan?
Si
RDJ.
Downey. After
After
ng Spider-Verse
Spider-Verse.
ata, I think.
Before Sonic.
Maybe.
RDJ.
Feeling ko din.
Sonic. Uy, Shrek.
Donkey.
Kailan to? Before, no?
2001.
Before Nemo,
Nemo.
after Scooby-Doo.
Doesn't
Yeah,
babago?
yeah.
Airbud doesn't speak.
Trash.
Baka may ibang hayop.
Hindi,
Airbud.
Walang yung bida dun eh.
there's no rules that a dog can't play ano,
Block dropping
Sports.
concluded. Let's
basketball.
inspect your
Ang dami palang Airbud.
Oo.
Merong Airbud volleyball,
Ay,
Airbud
shucks.
baseball.
Ah, 2000.
really?
Pala inisip ko 2000. Sorry.
Oh no.
Ah,
No 1 year.
Mhm. Mhm.
Pwede.
Yung mga mas bago yung kabisado natin yung order.
Panic.
could have been worse.
Could have been worse. Okay lang, yung sa kanila, ano,
Up to sort.
how to, ano,
It's all up to you.
cook a
Oh,
fritada.
shit.
Nako.
Ganda kung same movie.
Newest quote.
Mystery prompt na yan.
Mystery
The
prompt.
mystery
Ayan.
prompt. Guess.
Oh no.
Okay, sort this. Famous gaffes.
Oh, yes.
Earliest gaff. 2.
What is a gap?
Parang mas madali yung movies. I would have chosen movies.
Hindi
Hindi
movie,
Cry.
quote yun.
Oh.
Hindi sila movie.
Oh,
Famous
pero
want to work.
basically,
I would-
isusort mo yung
I
quotes
would-
from movies.
Kim
eh.
Kardashian?
So, you're basically sorting
I guess. Oh,
Sabagay.
yung mga ganyan. Baka after pandemic.
Yes.
Pero baka hindi naman yun quote ng movies, baka quote yun ng historical people.
Yeah,
Nakasulat
no.
quotes
Sulat
from
movies.
movies.
Exponentially. Famous quotes.
VP pa siya.
So this one is recent, right?
VP.
Can I put it
VP
here?
Obama, di ba? VP siya ni Obama.
So after that,
Uh-oh.
ay before.
No!
Guys.
Hindi ko
Ang bilis
nakita yung VP.
mag-analyze.
President na siya
Try.
dito. Obvious naman.
President na siya.
Pwedeng trash.
Bakit trash?
Nag-tweet
I mean,
ba talaga
pwede,
siya?
siyempre.
Pwede kasi
Hindi
hindi
si Trump
totoo.
yun.
Totoo ba to? Oy,
Hindi ko alam.
Good job, Juan.
hindi ko na maalala.
Good job.
Compete! Compete!
First presidency, second presidency.
First and first.
Diba?
Compete!
Pero dapat after ni Biden.
Bago niya maging president. I don't know.
Hindi.
2014.
Steve
Ay.
Harvey's
12,
Miss
ay.
Universe. Oh, is this me? No.
Cry.
Oh, shit.
2014. Ay, 2015, sorry.
Oh, now it's me.
We're...
Carl Sheen tweets his own phone number. Huh?
Older.
I don't know. I'll put it here para may space.
Sige, go.
Oh, okay lang, mas mahirap yung sa kanila.
Zendaya.
Zendaya.
How do you misspell your
Ito.
own name?
Guys, yung exponentially nilagay nyo sa term ni Obama, di ba?
Siguro.
Sino ba VP ni Obama?
Eh,
Si
Biden.
Biden.
Sino yung VP ni Trump?
It's our children.
Sige pa, to the left pa dapat ata yun eh.
Si Pence. Saka si Pence.
Babae.
Oh, si Pence. Okay. Sabi,
Pokemon Masters EX.
What?
Pokemon Master
Hindi ko alam.
Sex.
Ano ba? Saan ba to? Dito na lang.
Sige.
Yeah.
Slam!
Oh no, it's me. Dan
Potato.
Quayle. Potato. Wait, is this recent?
Dan Quayle. Dan Quayle is a politician.
No,
During
left.
the-
No. Pasok
Ewan.
here.
Si Client tagal eh.
Potato.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember kung saan
I
I see,
tira.
guys.
Oh, may Twitter pa niyan.
I see.
So siguro nobody wants to work there-ish.
So before ng Pokemon Masters.
Yung Charlie's number Twitter din yan eh. So it's around
Sige,
that.
sige, go.
Ay, last na ako.
Fade into
Ako,
Bolivia.
Bolivian. I'll say here. Kasi may Twitter. Ay,
Are all these
Sige.
Twitter quotes?
probably.
Some of them
Put it
siguro.
here.
Si Barbie, hindi.
Hirap naman ito.
Let's see how you stack up.
Guys.
Okay.
Uy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Nag-sense lang pala yun.
Uy, trash.
Guys, hindi na ba binili ni Ice-T yung Twitter?
Okay.
Wala kasing attempted or
Okay.
no. Uy, exponentially.
Akala ko
Yeah.
attempt. Akala ko attempted to buy.
Oh,
Ayan ka
ako
na
rin
naman.
na-
Ayan ka na naman, di nagbabasa eh.
Basa.
Potato.
Yes!
Oo nga. He's
A solid effort.
Guys,
Alright.
hindi tayo.
Makakakbo na tayo.
Has arrived.
250.
Damag na tayo ng
You'll have
250.
2 chances to get the prompt.
50.
Kaya pa.
Let's get
Anyone's game.
Pag hindi tayo sure, pwede nating
Trash.
Trash.
trash. Tapos, kung
Kabuhin naman siya.
babalik.
Hindi, i-stack na lang natin lahat together.
What is this?
Teka lang, alam niyo yung nilalaro natin na ano, yung
Uy, mamili muna tayo.
Wiki.
Yung wiki history.
Timeline.
Second.
Ito yan,
Oh,
di
sige.
ba?
Sige.
2, 1. Vote.
Choice locked.
This is a terrible plan.
Ape events. From
Ape.
oldest event
Oh, come on. Ano to?
newest event.
Ano ape?
Team
Are you
Kardashian sex
sorting the
tape.
film?
Mga may kinalaman sa ape.
Left.
Chunky
Luma na yan.
monkey.
Pwede na yan.
Planet
Ito
of
to
the
the
Apes.
Light pa konti. Oh well.
Ang year yan.
Oh my God.
Ah,
Really?
Hindi totoo yan. Hindi Ham ang pangalan ng first chimpanzee in space.
I see.
is it pork?
Ba, yun yun, di ba?
I actually don't know. Pero parang hindi
Not
Ham.
ham.
Oh my God. Feeling ko mga anong sa ano ba?
Wala lang, babalik naman yan mamaya kung totoo.
Ha?
Trash mo.
It sounds real.
Medyo believable.
Ross
Oh,
gets
kailan to
monkey.
release?
Oh.
Left.
Eh di, 1998,
Okay, old na to eh.
ganun? No, not Chunky Monkey!
Don't know any of these.
Chunky Monkey, diba?
Trash.
Wala sa mga yan.
Nagano eh.
Ano yan? That's a
Malfunction.
Carl Urban.
Hindi ko kasi alam
Kapatid
how
ni
old the
King.
Ben and Jerry's eh.
That
Oh,
Luma na to?
really old.
80s pa to,
Luma na
di ba? Or something.
Oh, rewatch that.
Not that old.
Nag-overpress yata siya.
Good job!
Luma na yan, original.
Panda pa kay Jane Goodall ba yan?
Before.
70s ba yan? 80s.
Hindi. Parang
Hindi.
mga 50s ganyan.
Ah, okay.
The heck? Feeling ko wala to. Hindi to totoo.
Hindi totoo yan.
But what if it's true?
Takas ang chimpanzees eh. Sira mo ka ni Clinton.
Pwede namang playful slap. Rip
Uy,
Harambe.
Harambe.
Oo.
Put it after Bieber.
After?
Before na lang.
Don't
before.
trust me.
Di ba ano yan? 2016?
Harambe.
Isipin mo yung relevance ni Bieber.
Robin Williams meets Coco.
This one seems true. I think this is true.
Luma.
For
Luma.
Harambe.
Dikit mo sa Chunky
sagutan
Monkey.
yan.
Dikit mo sa Chunky Monkey.
Yan.
Pwede na yan?
Beastie Boys. Brass Monkey.
Di ba Dance
90s?
Monkey?
Hindi naman Beastie Boys yun eh.
Diba yung, oo.
Ano?
Okay na,
Okay
sige. Babalik yan if ever, ano.
Sige, babalik siya if buhay siya.
Ape Wars.
Hell, the trash ka ba?
Trash.
Is it because it's Star Wars?
Vic Wars yata or something.
Hindi, wala kasi kaming alam sa...
Di believable.
One more shot.
Yun lang yung tama natin, Gabi.
Worry. Any streaks from your first try will remain intact.
So walang streak.
Luma to.
Oh, unang-una.
Huwag mo na lang harangan si Trash. Siya na yung leftmost. Ano ba yan?
Grabe, easy.
Sabihan ko.
Sige. Do you assume na older siya than yung
Pero
friend?
ginawa na natin yan, di ba?
Oo. Hindi, si Ross nakaharang.
Ah, okay. So dapat si Ross after.
Oo. Ice cream should be older
Hindi.
than friends.
Yung problem specifically yung ano eh.
Classic na yan si Chunky Monkey.
Totoong flavor ba yun?
Oo.
Okay.
Tapon to, di ba?
So totoo yan.
Papo niya.
Kasi buhay
So,
yan.
totoo siya
Space
bumalik eh.
Left.
Before Chunky Monkey. No, not to...
No, sobra.
And... Totoo din.
So, totoo
Ilan
din ito.
Before
Ano?
Harambe. Before... After Chunky Monkey, before Harambe. Gitna. I would say mauna si Ross kesa dyan.
Wala na lang.
Oh, saan nga to?
For Harambe at least.
Patong mo na lang kaya
After
ng Brass Monkey.
Beastie. Patong, exactly?
Oo.
Hindi pwede yun.
Pwede, ayun. You did it.
I mean, for points.
Totoo ba
Before
to?
Harambe.
Ano lang yung last?
Baka, ano yan? Baka trash.
Trash na lang ito.
Last na lang,
Kasi
oo.
kanina dinikit natin kay Harambe, hindi sila nag-stick.
Ano yung kay Ross? Kailan to?
After Chunky Monkey daw. Before Brass
Oh, pwede
Monkey
na
and
to.
Robin and Coco.
Yata.
Isa pa. Oh well.
Last
Meron
na
pa
to.
ba?
Last
Yan na
na.
yun. Yan na yun.
The blocks are
Huh?
locked.
Hindi ako sure. Pero,
Ba't yata hindi natin tinrush yun, sir? Ang
Ay,
kulang
kulang tayo
eh.
isa.
Oo.
Kulang kayo isa.
Yes. Ay. Ah! 80s yung ano? Beastie Boys!
Totoo yung Bieber.
Beaver Monkey.
Shucks. Oh well.
You did
19,750.
fine.
So we
Pwede
need
na.
7K. Guys.
7K.
We've got more sorting to do. Who's next?
Ano ba yung Beastie Boys?
You pick.
Uy, earliest bird.
Please, ano ba yan?
Kaya niya, ay,
Yeah.
madali lang yan. Yung
Pwede yan.
bird.
Tweety
What
bird.
is a bird?
Yan lang ba
Di ako bird
birds? Diba?
aficionado.
Ano, big bird.
Nice choice.
Oh, no.
Let's take a crack at birds.
Bakit yan?
Woody bird.
Earliest bird.
I don't know, I voted the other option.
Bird.
Sorry.
Opo, nag-tie. Fix this one.
Oh, Larry Bird. 80s.
Yeah, 80s. Who's this?
Hindi ba 70,
70s
late
yan.
70s siya nag-ano?
70s.
Yeah, John. We don't know the other options.
Yun na lang.
Yeah. What?
Bird blackmailed you. Trash
Ay.
mo na lang. Trash mo na lang.
Yeah, it comes
When in
back.
doubt.
So why wouldn't you just trash everything? Kung ganun.
Wala ka
Larry
nung
Bird.
Lady Bird.
Bird.
There is LB. Before Larry Bird. Before Larry Bird.
LeBron James?
LeBron. Hindi.
LBJ is ano, Lyndon Baines Johnson.
Ah. Alam ko
Kilala
LeBron
ko
James.
kanya. Grabe ka naman kay Josiah.
Uy, big bird.
Big Bird debuts on
Patay kayo.
Who's this? Not me.
Earlier pa yan. Between na lang.
Nugget na
Between
siguro.
the two.
Yeah.
Sabi na may big bird.
Go. Hitchcock's the
Oh
bird.
my God.
Ako, patay.
Iyan mo, medyo to the...
Ikaw,
Sorry. Oh no!
Voice activated yata, guys.
Oh shit, it's me. A bird pecked you.
Trash.
Yeah, easy.
He was so energetic.
The epitome of NPA.
Naalala ko yung hindi niya pinabasa yung buong slide sa
Pagabi.
Recent.
To the right. Yeah.
Goose Game.
Yung duck goose ba?
Yeah, mga...
Hindi, Untitled Goose Game talaga.
You control
Talaga
the
yung
goose.
title.
Yun talaga yung title niya. Favorite ni Kitty yan.
Uy,
Danny
penguin.
DeVito.
Penguin.
80s din yan eh.
Before.
After yan ng The Birds.
Talaga ba?
Bakit mo sila tinutulungan?
Mataas na lang the birds. Ayan, mga ganyan si Owen.
Is it me?
Oh, Cry, ikaw na ah.
Yeah, a bird.
Bird attack.
Trash.
Sino bird?
Bakit may mga ganyan? Ang weird.
Maybe a
Baka
bird.
true
would-
pala.
Lady Bird.
winning.
Ah.
To the left of
Here?
Untitled. Yeah.
Wait, pero si Mary the LBJ.
Oh, it's a different LB.
Bruce Bowen.
Uy, Sue Bird.
Sue Bird?
Ano to?
Anak ni Larry Bird.
Larry Bird, oh. So, to the right of Larry Bird. Medyo to the right of...
It is to the right.
Uy, that's
Bird app.
Bird
So
app.
there's one.
20...
Before Goose Game. I don't know.
Yeah,
Yes.
mga ganyan.
Yeah.
2007 yata yun. di ba?
Uy.
Oh, yan. Dami namin streak.
Oh,
Oh.
Uy.
no!
Oh.
You got
We're
left.
dying.
Let's stay together.
Ibagsak nyo lang lahat. Panalo na kayo.
Not necessarily.
Cry.
Yeah.
Uy, si Doge. Doge.
Dito kami nagkita ni Jet eh.
Ninja Doge.
Dota na budget.
Ha?
Ah.
Ano, Josiah?
Carebot.
Can I put it here?
Sige.
Sure.
Talo na ata tayo.
Ano mo, i-trash ni Wang lahat yan.
Saan to?
So hindi daw dun sa left eh. Kasi nilagay natin sa left
Dito?
yan eh, kanina.
Sige pa, kasi left pa. Sige pa.
Ang kulit ni Cry. Nilagay nga natin doon kanina.
Yeah, nung magkadikit sila.
Mio.
Diyan sa gitna na lang.
Voice activated.
Go. This is Cry.
I'll cry.
Ito na yan.
Trash. Trash.
Here? Dito,
Medyo
di
to
ba?
the left of
Or-
Super.
Chance nila perfect.
Left of Subird. Shit. It didn't
Andun
respond.
Andun siya kanina yata, if I remember right.
Consequence.
Guys, 1992 yung Batman Returns.
Oo nga.
Which is after Larry Bird.
Doon pa rin siya.
Okay. Oo nga.
Hindi siya si Little
tama.
D. Johnson.
No, si LBJ yan, pero syempre, they married way young.
Early.
Yay!
Oo nga.
Yay!
Tama.
Ooh.
Yay!
Pa rin tao. Kasi madali yung mga trash nila eh. Ako wish ng mga trash eh.
Albert
Grabe.
attacks you.
Hindi pa ako nananalo.
Isa pa neto or switch to another game?
No, I think we should do another
I'm
game.
so proud.
Fine.
Pagal yung
Para
pacing
makatap.
nito eh.
9
Oh, ang tagal nung isa nito eh.
Okay.
Kasi
Stop
3
na.
rounds, tapos may uulit pa.